So what importance does recording date have to putting your content when you put it live? What difference does that make, if any?
It's all down to cataloging. For the average normal user, me, you, it doesn't have a massive impact. The reason it's there is because in the more advanced platforms, which you don't get to see, there is a content ID section. That means that if you're a business and you are a music producer and you're dealing more with licensing and international agreements, the date that it's published may be a searchable tool. It's something that you can export. It's something that in the content ID I can check for. And that way you're able to itemize your content a bit more: release date, upload date, recording date. Now, it doesn't have any direct effect on the performance of the video. It doesn't have any direct effect on the algorithm, as I'm aware of. It's been around for a very, very long time. Initially, all of these tools needed to be there to placate the larger companies, especially if you are uploading a Family Guy clip and you have proof that you are the owner of Family Guy. You'd have to put only the time it was recorded, but the proof that it was aired in the US, and then what's known as captioning. It's slightly different in the US. Basically, everything needs to be released with specific laws and specific access.
Right.
In America, they've got lots of loopholes to jump through. So the publishing date or the recording date doesn't really have a knock-on effect, unlike a few other things within there, such as, say, location and things like that.